Hi here, welcome to Mr. 3D. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing add-on for Blender called Node Preview, and it's available for you to grab on Blender Market. The link will be in the description below. So without any further ado, let's see what this add-on can do for us. So here we have a little bit complex shader setup. So as you can see, we cannot see anything what Voronoi is doing, what noise texture is doing, what mix RGB is doing, what color ramp is doing, what bump is doing. So the previous method to view this is to go to edit, preferences, under node there's a add-on called Node Wrangler. Checked it, and once you click on it and press Ctrl Shift left click, and it's going to add a viewer, so it will show us what it's doing. So as you can see, it's showing us the bump map it is creating on a 3D model. New add-on for Blender that you can download from Blender Market and just install it. Node Preview, here it is, and as you can see, it's showing up all the different textures what they are doing, and you can just change the thumbnail size, resolution of thumbnail, or whatever you want. You can do with this add-on. So if I increase the scale, is going to update right here as well. Let me just decrease this. So yeah, it's going to show us what this is looking like as we increase or decrease, and it's also showing this bump map, how it will look if we increase this, if we decrease this. So there is a very big deal with this Blender, so it makes you work much easier, much faster, and complete your work very fast. So it's perfect for you to grab this add-on on Blender Market. I recommend you this add-on if you want to be a very fast on any work what you are doing. So I hope you like this. Make sure to check this out on Blender Market. Node Preview add-on, it's for $35. You can grab this add-on if you want to, and I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye.